The dryness and intense heat in the West adding fuel to wildfires. So far this year, the West has endured almost 17,000 large fires, which have scorched about 2.5 million acres of land. And one wildfire has burned much of one town to the ground. Greenville in Northern California was hit hard by the Dixie Fire, which has now grown to more than 500 square miles. John Lawrence has an update.
This black mass, caught on camera taking over California skies, is not a storm, it's the Dixie Fire, which has now exploded in size to become the 8th largest fire in state record.
We are currently dealing with 9 large active wildfires here in the state of California.
The more catastrophic the fire is, the greater the risk is.
And the relentless heat dome, triggering record-breaking drought and sweltering heat, has dipped water levels in California's second largest reservoir to the lowest on record. In Washington state, wildlife is threatened by an inferno raging on Protection Island, which is a crucial habitat for birds and marine mammals in the state.
And the concern, of course, is obviously the wildlife there.
In Hawaii, firefighters are battling the largest wildfire on state record, which has scorched tens of thousands of acres and turned homes to ash.
It's dust.
In Utah, recovery begins after floods ravaged nearly 300 homes.
They've lost all their precious belongings. Children have lost toys. There's just so much loss.
The reality at the end of the day is we need to approach things differently, and we need to acknowledge that the hots are getting a lot hotter, the dries are getting drier, and from a flooding concern, these atmospheric rivers, the wets are getting a lot wetter.
I'm John Lawrence reporting.